Let's drop onto our demo environment and take a look at how to allocate the Device Enrollment Manager permission to a user. I've signed into my Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, and on the left-hand side under Favorites, I'll select Users. Next, I want to select Miriam. I'll type her first name and then select the user account. Whilst here, I'll copy her email address and then click Assign Roles. Here I can see that Miriam has a number of roles, but none of them are administrators. I'll then click on Licenses and I'll verify that Miriam has an Enterprise Mobility and Security license, as this grants them access to the Microsoft Intune portal. I've now performed the prerequisite checks, and I'm now in a position to grant the DEM permission to Miriam. On the left-hand side, under Favorites, I'll select Devices. And then, under Device Enrollment, select Enroll Devices. And now I can select Device Enrollment Managers. Here we can see our existing users who are Device Enrollment Managers, and I'll click Add from the menu. I now need to type in or paste the email address for Miriam. The name is validated, and I'll click Add. A confirmation is shown, and the user has now been granted the Device Enrollment Manager permission. I've noticed that even if the user is an Intune administrator, the interface allows you to make a Device Enrollment Manager, but the documentation states that they should not be granted a DEM permission.